Hello everybody, this is Uvie Art and I'm back again bringing you with my fourth challenge from Skillshare, the Fearless Art Challenge. And today's fourth challenge is going to be Shake It Up. My third challenge was slow it down, but this one is shake it up. So this is going to involve bringing out a lot of energy, doing something super fast, something, I don't know, random. And that's what I was trying to do in this illustration. I was trying to bring out something abstract, random, and just let loose, be free, don't think about it. And with this Procreate and the brush I'm using, it felt like I was doing an actual painting with an actual brush. It was fun creating this illustration. And like I always say, there will be a link if you really want to follow this workshop and also want to try Skillshare. I'll leave a link below so you can click it and join me. As always guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest. For now, enjoy this painting. Ciao!
Pop,